Hello, beautiful people. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to get right into it, and here is another technique for law of attraction. We all get those negative thoughts that pop in our heads, and they say things like, there is not enough, I'll never get there, I don't have enough money, I'm broke, whatever it is that's negative going on in your mind. I want you to tap around your ear, up and around your ear, your left ear. This is the negative side of your brain. And I want you to precursor a sentence when you're hearing that chatter in your head or those thoughts come in. And use the words, I am no longer. Tap around the ear and say, I am no longer fearing there is not enough. I am no longer living in lack. I am no longer giving money all the power. I am no longer fearing that I don't make enough money. I am no longer afraid that there is not enough surplus. I am no longer broke. I am no longer living in lack. Now, on the other hand, this is honoring the negative chatter that you're going to get in your brain. It's just saying that you're no longer doing these things, whatever it is. Now, on the right side of your head, above your ears and around your ears, honor the positive, what you want to happen. I am now receiving an abundance of money. I am now open to my affluence. I am enough. I am making enough money. I am accumulating wealth now. I am receiving an abundance of money. I am wealthy right now. The right side of your brain is intuitive. It receives all the positive and the good. So you want to reinforce all the good in your life, your affirmations coming in, whatever it is. But honor the negative first around your left ear, and then do the positive on your right side around your right ear. This activates your brain and switches it out to make your brain come in alignment with what you want. These are all techniques and little tricks that you can use to shift your focus, shift your subconscious mind into thinking of what you want now. Your mind is powerful. It's a powerhouse. And you can open your heart chakra, your solar plexus, right below your chest. You can pretend that it's a flower and open it up with, I am worth it. I am worth it. Spread your fingers out. Take a deep breath and open your fingers around under your chest, and I am worth it. I am worth it. I am worth it. This opens your solar plexus, and that's directly related to your dollars and what you feel you are worth and what you are making right now and what you want to make. It opens you up. We have a 7 chakra system, and I invite you to learn more about the chakras. There was a time I didn't even know we had chakras, but it's a powerful source of energy within us that we use on a daily basis, but most of us don't even know it's there. So I invite you to use these techniques and just keep doing them and opening yourself up to receive more, shifting your brain and helping with the subliminals and everything else that you are working with. your affirmations, your positive affirming prayers, which I list down below also in the description box, some powerful prayers and affirmations that you can use. Also, there's a playlist of subliminals that you can use, and I plan on updating these and doing a whole new series to different music and types of sounds that will relax you and let the affirmations sink into your subconscious. So with that, I just leave you and thank you all for everything. I appreciate each and every one of you. God bless you, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye for now.